Under the sea awaits a world of wonders, vibrant coral reefs, playful dolphins, gliding sea turtles, and shimmering schools of fish. Dive in to explore. Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Clams. C-L-A-M-S, clams. Coral. C-O-R-A-L, coral. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Seaweed. S-E-A-W-E-E-D, seaweed. Dolphins. D-O-L-P-H-I-N-S, dolphins. Turtles. T-U-R-T-L-E-S, turtles. Sharks. S-H-A-R-K-S, sharks. Crabs. C-R-A-B-S, crabs. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. Seahorses. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E-S, seahorses. Lobsters. L-O-B-S-T-E-R-S, lobsters. Oysters. O-Y-S-T-E-R-S, oysters. Anemones. A-N-E-M-O-N-E-S, anemones. Whales. W-H-A-L-E-S, whales. Barracudas. B-A-R-R-A-C-U-D-A-S, barracudas. Sponges. S-P-O-N-G-E-S, sponges. Prawns. P-R-A-W-N-S, prawns. Rocks. R-O-C-K-S, rocks. As we resurface from this amazing underwater adventure, we're reminded of the beauty and diversity of life beneath the waves. Let's cherish and protect our oceans so future generations can also experience their wonders.